Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am going to showcase past year investment what I did and currently how our market is, what is the status of our market, what can be expected and what we have to do at this point of time. So all those things we are going to discuss and my investment plan and strategy I'm going to talk about in detail about that as well. So let's get into the detail. This is Sundar and you are watching Mindful Finance. So right now I'll show you the current status of our market. So for this what you have to do is I have done for yourself, but you also please do this exercise to understand the current trend and how to track this kind of a trend and where to focus. Okay, so let's go step by step about each index. Okay, this is our index Nifty, right? This is our major Nifty index which has fallen 11.25% from the top, and I have explained to you about how to use Bollinger Bands. If you have not watched the video, please do watch that video. I'll share the link in this video to understand how Bollinger Bands can be read. So if you see currently the Nifty 50 Bollinger Band in the weekly, if you see it is like slightly going up and this is down, right? So that way it shows somewhat downward momentum but not that great. Okay, so this downward momentum is still showing downwards. If we go to 1 day chart, you see this is going down, the upper band is going down, the lower band is like going down but it's not completely like down. Okay, so now wait for it. If it hits the Bollinger Band again at the bottom, okay, and it may push this thing and it may go to 22,304 further. Okay, there are downwards from here. If it goes further, there is a chance of 4.89%, approximately say 5%. There is a chance to go down for Nifty. Okay, so why I am saying is, if you see this is the support level. Okay, if it breaks this support, this is the support level. Let me draw the support level. Okay, this is the support level. Okay, this is the support level, and this is where that election time dip happened and recovered, right? If it breaks, okay, it may go to this level. That's a free flow you can expect for the Nifty side, but this is a good support. But let's see, we have to wait and watch. So for now Nifty has fallen 11.25%. Now let's compare other indexes how they have fallen. Okay, if I see Bank Nifty or reality, if you see the reality set from top to this is the top. Okay, it has fallen 15.64%. What was the Nifty? 11.5%. So it has fallen way beyond Nifty. Okay, its beta is more than 1. Okay, beta is normally based on the Nifty's movement how the other sectors are performing. If it is more than 1, that means the volatility index is more for that particular index. Okay, because it is more than Nifty, so that means it clearly says that its beta is very high and it is moving more than Nifty's, so which is 15.64%. So if you see, this is the bottom for this reality set. Okay, so if it falls further, it may have another 2.89%. So what you can say is, you can assume this is your stop loss if you are entering now. Okay, this can be a stop loss, or wait for this to dip, or you can focus on chunk by chunk. You can focus. Bollinger Band also, if you see, if it is expanding the both sides, so still there is no trend reversal or anything. You can also see DMI also, its negative side is up, so momentum is up in the negative side still, so there is no reversal sign. So you have to wait, or you can slowly add. Okay, if I go to IT sector, if you see IT sector has fallen just 5.23%. That means beta is very, very, very low. Even though Nifty has fallen 11.x%, it has fallen only -5%. Right, so this shows this is a good bullish momentum. So you can focus on this index for now. Let me show. Let's go to the screener now. If I go to screener, you see this is the IT index. If I see the PE is very high, right? PE is very high. If I go for a 5-year timeline, still PE is high. So IT sectors are trading in overvaluation. So even though it is showing momentum against our Nifty, there is a chance that this PE can reduce. That means it can go sideways. There will be short-term momentum is maybe there, but there's a chance that it may go down for some time. Okay, so you need to be very cautious about this particular stock, this index. We have seen multiple videos about contrarian investment, value investing, all those kind of thing we checked in the past our videos. If you are a contrarian investor, right, you will not go for this one, right? You will have to bet against the market. Okay, if it is going down, okay, you have to find the stocks which are underperforming. for the valuation kind of. If you are a contrarian, you will focus which is going against the Nifty, right? That is how mindset is. So you have to choose your way of investment and focus on that. Even though IT is in a bullish momentum and the IT index PE is high, but you see the PE within the IT industries. Industry PE is 33.42, and check which one is trading lower than the industry PE, which is Wipro, Infosys, TCS, and HCL Technologies. These are trading lesser than the industry PE. So if you want to focus, you focus on these stocks, not these stocks, because these are trading with the high PE, right? So be cautious about. See, these are momentum stocks. They are growing. Their market cap is lesser than other things. It has a potential to grow more. All those things are there. But I feel there could be a scenario this can go sideways. So the higher PE stocks, right? This may go sideways, and the lower PE stocks may go upper, means go high, right? So this may consolidate and this may perform good. There are chances like that. So you have to think in that way. Don't simply go and dump or jump into any company. Okay. Even though the sector is high, you have to focus which is trading lesser than the industry PE. Okay. This is the IT sector. Let's see FMCG. If you see FMCG, it has fallen 14.2%. This is a defensive sector, right? So it is almost like closer to Nifty. 11.5 is somewhat closer, but you see this has given kind of a reversal sign. It is going upward. You see the DMI, negative DMI is going down. So there is a momentum building up, and always focus one thing, that this FMCGs always follows a pattern. Okay. I had told you earlier also, I made a video on that one. If you always see, this will follow a channel pattern always. Okay. It will always go through channel pattern. You see, this is a channel. Okay. Now it has broken this channel. Okay. And it tried to take a support, means it tried to come to this level, but it is making another one more support layer above this layer, right? So the trend has the trend has changed to a new trend now. So this is its now new trend line now, right? This is a new trend line. So if you see, and this is also expanding. So this is the sign of fourth wave. So there is a very good chance that there is going to be another fifth wave. That will be a momentum wave that will go to a very good level. Okay, so FMCG is that right now. I feel it's a fantastic to look into. So focus on this one rather than other things. And this is a time to do kind of a lump sum rather than SIP, because it is in the bottom. Okay, so when it goes to the top, okay, you can book a profit here. Okay, you can book a profit because always it follows a pattern. It goes up and it comes back to some level. 66% retracement can happen. Okay, there again you can buy, go again. So it is a pattern. Okay, so FMCG is a good for your swing trading, also for a long term, because you focus for a long term, like buying more in the low level, and when it goes to the high, okay, there you book a profit. Okay, and again when it comes down, add more. So likewise, you are booking the profit. See, if it goes up from here, if it goes up, it is almost 19.84%. Okay, even if it goes here, you may end up with 13%, right? So it's better than your FD and other stuff. You can book a profit, and again when it comes down, buy it. So you can take that profit back, and you can add more also at the bottom. Likewise, you can increase your portfolio value. If you see infra is 14.92% down. It is also almost like a FMCG, but I feel infra may go down further to this level, 7,643 level. So be aware of that. It's a risky bet right now. Okay, it is at the support level, but if I see the Fibonacci levels, you see, so it may come to 7,513 level. Okay, if it returns back, well and good, because if you see the Bollinger Band, the top side it is opening up, right? So that is a sign for going down further. If I go to daily day chart, let's see, it is going down, right? It is going down. This is also going down. So it is going downwards trajectory. Okay, so infra may go down further. So if you want to invest in infra, let's see the infra levels here. So almost close to the PE. Okay, median PE. So here it may come down or it may accumulate over there. So but it seems that PE wise it seems good. Okay, so in that case, what you have to do is you have to see which is doing better than industry PE, right? See ONGC, BPCL, IOCL, Indus Towers, right? Check this company. Okay, these are trading lesser than industry PE. Okay, check this company's fundamental and find out. Example, let's go to Interglobe Aviation. If you see its fundamental balance sheet, okay, see the sales is increasing, okay, expense also increasing, okay, operating profit is increasing, right? If you see operating profit is increasing, so it looks on profit before tax good, okay, so it is showing a positive side. So this is showing positive side. If I go to the stock, if I check the stock, see, so stock also showing that Bollinger Band like this, but if it reverse, you focus on this one. But I feel this is the support line, okay, if it falls further, okay, it falls for, this is the support right now, it is in the support. See the gap was filled and again testing this gap line. So Indigo is showing some kind of positive side, but be aware this may, if it makes a lower low, see it is a lower low or higher low, it's in support. If it breaks, okay, it may go down further, okay. So likewise, check the fundamentals, check the technical part of it, and then get into that. So for now, overall, if I see Midcap has fallen almost 8.5%. Oh no, 10.4%. It has fallen lesser than Nifty, I would say. Okay, so Midcap is fine. Pharma, if you see, Pharma has fallen 6.35%. It's like what do you say, IT sector, and the trend line also, if you see, it is in the support line here, support line. So Pharma looks better. So check the stocks in Pharma for Contrarian investment. Small cap has also fallen to 10.51%, almost getting close to Nifty, and this is a support level. If it breaks this support level, it may go further, okay. And check the Bollinger Band, see, it is expanding. You see, this is expanding, so it has to flat, and this has to turn upward direction, then you can enter it, okay. Right now it's not a good sign for this this one. PSU Bank down almost 24.49% as down, okay. So you see, when it goes beyond 20%, right, that is a bearish sign, okay. So you have to be very cautious. So you should not go bulk or anything. You can accumulate here, okay. But basically it is in a bearish trend. If see this is the support line, right? This is the support line. If it again breaks here, you have to be cautious. So when it reverses, then you can enter. See, but the DMI, if you see, in the negative DMI is very high. So the momentum towards negative is high. So that is why it's a bearish trend. So for PSU banks, please be cautious. Auto sector 17%, but auto sector also currently in a support side, and you see the Bollinger Band is flattening out, but it is in the middle of the Bollinger Band, okay. It's not hitting the down. So auto sector also seems good, not bad, okay. So likewise, you start picking the sectors. And coming back to my investments, I'll show you what happened the past year. So I have just taken so if you see my investment for 2024, okay, this is my Excel sheet. I track things. If you see the January month investment, how much I invested, and what is the current value of the portfolio, and what is the return I got from that. If you see clearly, it shows till here June month, okay, it was positive, but after that it is negative side, okay. So my overall 2024 portfolio is minus 4%, right? It's a very bad, but no, it's not bad. It's a good opportunity. That's how you have to think. And you see my investment also, I have reduced in the last 2 months, because the reason behind this is always during the November and December, market has to go up. Okay? January and February, market will normally perform badly. So these are the times you have to reduce your investment, because market is going up, and January, February, you have to increase your investment. If you see in between, like I increased the till here, my investments are high, and here these are my average investment. Okay, so you have to invest in a disciplined way, so that you don't stop your investments. Okay, and find where to invest properly. Now I'll show the actual data of my Zerodha trading account. So this is my 2024, the last year trading, my investment data here. If you see, I have booked 2.18 lakh profit, and current is 7.38 lakh. So last 1 year, this is my status. So I have already booked a profit. So if you see the green ones, I regularly book profit. So I make sure that there are stocks which are like for long term, which are for swing trade, so that you should know what kind of investor you are, right? So I am kind of a trader as well as a investor, right? So I invest as well as trade. So I do swing trade. Okay, I don't do intraday trading. You can see the red things, right? Those are some losses. Even if you are planning for a swing trade, you need to have stop loss. If you don't have stop loss, don't do a swing trade. Okay, you can always go hold that one, don't sell it. If it goes up, it's better for you, right? So likewise, plan your trade investment properly. So, but for me, like if it goes down to certain limit, I book the profit. Okay, or I book the loss. It's okay. Booking a loss loss is also good. Okay, so if you see overall the current thing is almost 9 lakhs. Okay, overall my portfolio, if you see the profit I'm having is almost like 40% I'm having, even though there was almost like 18 means 11% down from the top, but still it's around 40% is my profit currently. So the one I shown you, right, the 2024 portfolio, again let's go to that one. If you see this one, this is the current status. Okay, see this much of amount I traded, like so bought and sold kind of a thing, sold kind of a thing. Okay, and again I reinvested, so that is why it's showing 28 lakh, but it won't be 28 lakh. My investment might be around like 16 lakh or 14 lakhs kind of investment in the 2024. Okay, so my return is minus 4%, but I have already booked a profit of 2.7 lakh earlier. Okay, so that is how I manage my portfolio. You need to be very cautious in your investment. You should not, you don't get in the stocks if you are not aware of how to plan your strategies. Okay, so that is what it is. One more thing is, this year onwards I plan to have a SIP. I had mutual fund in other account, but this account in Zerodha I just started from this year onwards. So I plan to invest in Kite to experience how the Kite works and how this funds performs. Okay, so we'll slowly track this one. The next year also we'll track. So this is the plan I have for this year to go with the mutual fund. Yeah, or this 2025 I thought of having a portfolio in the mutual funds as well. I have made a list of funds, but please don't use this as your reference. This is for my testing purpose. I have started this account, and these funds are just for a testing purpose. We'll track this one. These are different funds. I just want to check how these funds are performing. Basically, I don't go for all this kind of fund. I have another portfolio where I follow strictly on index. The mutual fund is mainly for my index based one. So here also, if you see, these are index funds. Okay, and others are different Contrarian funds, Tata digital funds. So I have different plan for different things. Let's see how it goes. So mainly I just want to show this one to motivate you. It's not just boasting or anything. I'm not a person earning from a different kind of thing like YouTube or nothing. I'm not earning anywhere, purely from my habits. So I'll make another video. How do I save my money? How do I plan for investment? So I'll make another video where I'll explain how I plan my savings, how I make the investment is a disciplined one, which you need to learn, which you need to adapt. It should be your habit. Okay, it's not just a kind of fun activity. It's a habit you need to build slowly. So that topic I'll explain in the next video. I'll try to explain how I save money and how I try to invest from my salary. Okay, and other ways. So in that video, I'll try to explain how I save money, what is my strategy, and how I plan for my expenses and my daily routines. So that I'll cover in the next video. Hope you like this video. If you like it, subscribe it, give a thumbs up, and post your comments. That will be motivating for me to make this kind of a video. And happy Makara Sankranti and Pongal. Thank you.